We're extremely low tide. Man, this is going to be fun. And you can see what I could hit when I'm racing. Let's throw it in. I don't have my neck strap, so here we go. Let's back out. And let's go for fun. I'm trying to go left and I can't. I need to come in for the reason of, you bet, I got some stuff caught on. So let's go throw it back out again and then go have some fun. Well, I'm not going anywhere. Well, I'm definitely not going anywhere. First, a little trouble. Oh, I'm caught. How am I going to get it? Let's clean this up and then we'll go have fun. All clean. Stuck in soft water. And there we go. Now we can go. Single-handedly riding. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the DRC 2104 Challenger, having loads of fun. You need to gain speed in order to do your sharp turns and so forth. There you go. Nice small circles. And we'll go along for the ride single-handedly all the way out there. Come on in and do a sharp turn. And just continue on and have fun. There you go, all the way out. I got a dog that's following me. Let's go all the way out. I gotta go get it. I lost it. Now that's what happens when you lose signal. There you go. Well, I am calling it a day, bringing it to the shore. Woohoo! There you go.